What is called that? What is called this?
Green.
Avocado.
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 Avocado. What's the color of this?
I take avocado.
Avocado. Look. Avocado.
Avocado.
Oh, yes. What's the color of this?
Green.
Green. This, the other one.
Brown.
No. What's the color of inside the avocado?
Brown.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. Sarap sa avocado. Oh. Sarap.
There's some. Want some?
Sarap sa avocado na mo.
Avocado na.
Maglamamig avocado. Masamad ka.
Na? Okay.
Maglamamig avocado.
You want some? Some?
Avocado.
Some?
Oh, I want some.
Okay, Carl.
I want some. Avocado. Come on, not give me that, babe.
Okay.
Thank you. What is this?
Careful.
Letter A. Avocado.
Avocado.
Okay. Very good.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Here.
You want to eat this?
I can sure take the avocado.
Yeah, what's all? Look. Oh, look. Oh, evergreen avocado. Sarap sa avocado. Ayaw nit.
Avocado.
Avocado. This is the seeds of avocado.
I can surround.
Yeah.
Grind under.
Oh, labo kay mong avocado, oh. Oh. Oh, labo kay, oh. Labo ang among avocado.
I'm ready to
Yes.
like cereal.
Oh. Come here.
Okay.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Oh, yan na pagpalit ang to. Ina siya, kung ito, ati ay sigkon ka, Dorin usa.
That's right, Dorin. Dorin. Ako
Dorin. Ay, naay, kaong ka diya. Avocado.
Dorin isa?
Avocado. Mo eat sinit og avocado. What is called this?
Avocado.
Okay, very good. What the color?
Green.
Okay. When I'm open the avocado, what the color inside? What the color inside the avocado? Color? Yeah. Yellow. Okay.
Crack.
Buto sa avocado.
Crack. Open. Is that mama? Wow, 6
Liso sa avocado.
Ano ka, buto?
Sa Tagalog, buto.
Mama, avocado. Tagalog? Avocado.
Yeah.
Avocado.
Naglamomi og avocado. Para na kami snacks. Prutas.
Crack.
Pwedeng inita.
A crack can open. Wow. It's 6 always. This is real now.
Okay. Give me the other one. Last one.